Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Half-Life 2 beta. This fascinating, unfinished build, often called the leak, provides a unique window into the game's early development. It features many differences from the final release, including unique characters, weapons, and environments. To experience this historical piece of gaming, the most accessible and stable method involves using community-curated mega builds that have fixed many original issues. To begin, you'll need to find the necessary files. The best approach is to visit dedicated Half-Life 2 beta community websites. Look for a mega build or a mega patch download. These are carefully assembled by fans, combining the original leaked files with crucial fixes and improvements, ensuring a much smoother experience than the raw, unpatched leak. Always ensure your download source is trusted. Once you have downloaded your chosen mega build, the installation process is straightforward. First, extract all the files from the compressed archive into a new, dedicated folder. It's often recommended to place this folder directly on the root of one of your hard drives for best compatibility. Be sure to check for any specific installation instructions or additional patches that might be included with your download to ensure everything runs correctly. With the installation complete, you are ready to dive into the Half-Life 2 beta. Launch the game executable, typically named HL2, EXE or similar from your installation folder. Prepare for a unique experience. You will encounter vastly different storylines, early character designs, and a wide array of experimental weapons. Many maps are unfinished, offering a raw, fascinating look at the game's evolution, providing hours of exploration for dedicated fans.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.